So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your rosters and create classes in MDTP. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you need this spreadsheet, okay? And you can either download it out of the MDTP site, and I'll point that out in a few minutes, or you can just use this one. So you're going to want that student list. I would probably do a file, save as on it. You can leave it in downloads. You're only going to literally use it once. And I'm going to do my period 2 BC class. I'm just labeling it so I know exactly what it is. Then I am going to go into Aeries. So I'm going to grab Aeries and I am going to download my rosters out of Aeries. So I'm going to be in, normally we start in pages, but we're in reports, and you're going to go attendance, class rosters. Normally this starts as PDF. You want to switch it to Excel. If you're not just fall, I would switch it to fall. That's kind of up to you, but you would want to make sure you get your fall rosters. And then you want to check this box that says add fields to the printout. I'm going to choose in this order: last name, first name, and then I need the student ID is important, so make sure you get student ID. And then I'm going to pick, you can do all of your class periods at once if you want. I'm just going to pick the one that I want for right now. I want my second period BC class. I'm going to hit run report. I'm going to download the report. Okay. Now I'm going to take these class rosters and I'm going to just copy the last name, the first name, and the ID. And I'm going to put it really quickly over here. You'll notice I have some extra spaces. So I'm going to highlight those spaces and I'm going to click delete cells, shift left. Again, highlight the spaces. I come over here, delete cells, shift left. And then I'm going to hit save so I have that data saved to import. All right, now I'm going to come back over to the MDTP system. I want to click on educators and I'm going to pick on readiness. I'm going to put in my email address. If you've never logged in before, you might have to create a login. And then I'm going to put in my password. And I scroll down to login. And then I'm going to click add new class. Please, as you're adding new classes, I made a list of how to title the courses. Please keep to that listing of titles. So that way when we get our data, that it's all very similar. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to select the instructor. You should be in there. So I'm going to pick myself. If you have a co-teacher, you can put them on there. I am doing AP Calculus BC. I know that this is the fall 2020, and I'm going to pick on period 2. If you didn't download that Excel template, it is right here, but I've already filled that out, so I'm going to click upload my roster. And I know that it was my student list period 2 BC. I'm going to click open. And my students came in, and I'm going to click save. And then that's how you add a class to the MDTP system.